It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, April the 11th. This is James Spann. The storms are out of here, and there could be a few spotty showers over the northern counties of the state this afternoon or this evening, but the pattern looks nice and quiet for a while. Here's the upper air look, and it's a high amplitude pattern, a big ridge in the west, a downstream trough in the east. And we'll check the radar. The last batch of showers exiting the southeastern corner of the state early this morning. Temperatures are generally in the 40s over the northern counties of the state. We got Birmingham at 47, Huntsville 48, mostly 50s in South Alabama. We'll check the watch warning map, a very quiet April morning across the country. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. We have a marginal risk of severe storms from North Florida up to near Virginia Beach on the South Atlantic coast. Tomorrow, a marginal risk about the spot where Wyoming, Montana, and South Dakota come together. And on day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe storms expected across the country. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week, and not much at all. Again, we'll see a few isolated showers over North Alabama later today. The chance of isolated showers Monday night and then again Thursday night of next week, but a lot of places will likely stay rain-free for the next 7 days, which is quite unusual for April. Typically, this is a very wet, stormy month. So model fans, let's break it down day by day with a GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, Western Ridge, Eastern Trough. And as that trough swings through here, the cold air aloft will make the air somewhat unstable, and there will be just enough moisture for a few isolated showers this evening. This is the high-resolution HER. This is 7 o'clock this evening. You see those spotty showers across the northern counties of the state. Nothing widespread, nothing heavy. South Alabama stays dry. And highs will be in the 60s today for the northern counties of the state, 70s for South Alabama. Tomorrow, a beautiful day to start the weekend. We'll start the day down in the low 40s, maybe some upper 30s for the colder pockets, and the high will be in the 60s. And Sunday, a sunny day with highs in the 70s. And hey, for the first time in how long? No storms to deal with over the weekend. Those of us in the weather business really appreciate that. And again, Sunday morning will be pretty cool. Again, we could see some 30s for the colder pockets. Monday, there's a front north of the state, but the day will be warm and dry. A good chance we'll see low 80s. And that front might bring a few isolated showers Monday night or early Tuesday. And then by Tuesday afternoon, the front is down near the Gulf Coast and mostly in dry fashion. And the high Tuesday will drop about 10 degrees into the low 70s. Wednesday looks good. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 70s. And then Thursday, same thing. Another fast-moving front will be coming in here. This could bring a few showers late Thursday afternoon or Thursday night. Don't think the rain will be heavy. And then a week from today, this is Friday, April the 18th. Trough stays in place over the east, and that front is down to the south. So again, next week, mostly dry. Maybe a few spotty showers Monday night or Tuesday morning. And the same thing Thursday night or early Friday morning. But nothing heavy, nothing widespread. Let's keep going. This is 10 days out. This is Sunday, April 20th. Got a trough off the upper Atlantic coast, a little shortwave ridge here, and we're dry. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. Really not much. The mean is just right at 1 inch between now and the 26th of April. And temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. 60s today and tomorrow. 70s on Sunday. Low 80s Monday. And then mostly 70s for the rest of next week. And the latest long-range guidance. This is for April 18th through April 24th. And with a ridge, temperatures above average for a pretty good chunk of the country. So the storms yesterday evening, last night, the main issue as expected was hail. Some of the hail up on Sand Mountain in Albertville. And the air aloft was very cold. The lapse rates were very steep. And these were high base storms. There'll be no tornado with a high base storm. So that was the main issue, along with the pretty strong winds in spots. But many of the locations underneath those heavier storms had the hail to deal with. But yeah, the winds were pretty strong, especially up in the shoals. Goodness, our friends in the shoals can't catch a break. They had more trees and power lines that came down. These are straight line winds, of course, not related to tornadoes. And of course, the problem when the trees come down, sometimes they fall on things like cars. And goodness, that was quite a mess. Thankfully, nobody was injured there. And, of course, we had fire in the sky last night. Some pretty impressive lightning shots with the storms passing through. But, again, things looked nice and calm for a while. So today going to be down in Elmore County, Holtville Middle School. Slap out. I look forward to seeing the kids there. Been there several times before. That's a great school. We do not have a book signing tomorrow. We will be back on the road a week from tomorrow. And as soon as we get the location from the publisher, we'll pass that along. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.